Hello, hi everyone. My name is Dr. Sana Khan, your biology expert, and you're watching our app that is InstaPrep. So, in this video, we are going to talk about role of microbes as biocontrol agents. One of the very important topic for your board as well as NEET exams. So, let's talk about the role of microbes as a biocontrol agent. So, what is the word term? What does the word biocontrol mean? See, the term biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods to control disease and pest. Biocontrol, so it means to use biological process. Biological process means use of microbes so that it doesn't harm the plant as well. Plus, it also protect our plant from pest. So it's a natural method of eliminating and controlling insects, pests, and other disease causing agent. Okay, so it's a very natural method because here we are not using any chemicals. So as it's a natural method by which we can control the insects, we can control the pest, we can control the diseases of our plant, it is called as biocontrol or biological control. Okay, so the agents which are employed for this are called as biocontrol agents. So let us see what are the biocontrol agents. So the first one is microbes and the second one is bioherbicide. So we are going to talk about microbes and bioherbicides in this video. So when I use the word microbes, obviously it includes bacteria, fungi, viruses, protozoa, correct? Microbes will include all these terms, right? Bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. So now microbes are going to act in three ways. They cause the disease to the pest or compete with them, or they will kill them. So chemicals, insecticides and pesticides are extremely harmful to our environment as well as to us, because obviously we'll be consuming those plants. So to avoid that, the best method to protect us, to protect our environment, to protect our plant is by using biocontrol agents, biocontrol methods. So thus use of biocontrol measures will greatly reduce our dependence on toxic chemicals and pesticides. So let us see a few examples of microbial biocontrol. So the first example over here is Bacillus thuringiensis. What is the example? Can everybody repeat with me? It is BT. Full form nahi aata hai to BT bhi chal jayega, right? So it is Bacillus thuringiensis. So what happens over here? How do you use this BT? Let us understand. See, dried spores of BT are mixed with water and sprayed into vulnerable plants such as brassica and fruit diseases to get rid of butterfly and caterpillars. So what do? You will take the dried spores of BT and you're going to mix up with water, and then you have to spray on the plant. So that's going to protect it from insects. Because what happens, obviously, when insects comes to eat these spores, okay, in the gut of the insect, that is the larvae, the toxin which is there in this spores will be released and the larvae will get killed. Okay, and which toxin is present? It's called as cryprotein. What is it called? Cryprotein. Very, very, very important. So BT is mixed with water and sprayed on the plant. So when caterpillar comes and eat up the plant, they eat up the spore as well, right? And when the spore goes inside the tummy of the insect, it releases toxin, that is cryprotein, and then the insect gets killed. Okay, easy to understand. Okay, so other examples are trichoderma. So these are free living fungi which are found in root ecosystem, right? It prevents soil borne fungal plant pathogens. So these when you use this, it will prevent the plant from getting fungal disease. So the fungus produce substance like viridian, gliotoxin, gliovirin, etc. that inhibit the other soil borne pathogen attacking root, rhizome, etc., causing the rot disease. So when you use this trichoderma, it will prevent the plant to get other diseases from, because obviously it's releasing certain substances like viridian, gliotoxin, gliovirin. So it's going to inhibit the soil so that it doesn't get affected by certain other pathogens which can cause certain diseases like rot diseases. So let us see some microbes and their host which you need to remember for your exams. So Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus papillae, Bacillus lentimorbis. Here the host are, you can use it against caterpillar, cabbage worm, adult beetle. Fungi like Bevuria bassiana, Entomopthora, Pelidarosium, Zopthora radicans. I know the typical names. You can use it against a host like Aphid croci, Aphid unguiculata, mealybugs, mites, white flies, etc. Then protozoas like Nosema lacustae can be used against hosts like grasshoppers, caterpillars, crickets. Okay, and certain viruses like nucleopolyhydrovirus and granulovirus can be used against the host, caterpillars and gypsy moth, ants, wasps, and beetles. So these are the certain pathogens which can be used against these hosts, obviously, to protect your plant from these insects. Now that's all about microbes. Now let us talk about bioherbicides. So first, let us talk about what are weeds. You must have studied about weeds in your lower standards, that they are unwanted plants which grows in the field, ponds and lakes. So when they grow up, obviously, as they are growing in the same field where our crop is getting developed, they are competing with our space, the farm space. They are competing with the minerals present in the soil. They are competing with the light, air, everything they are competing, right? Plus, these are weeds, which could be the host for certain pathogens. And if those pathogen comes and attack those weeds, obviously it's going to spread to our crop also. So you can use microbes as herbicides to protect our plant from certain insects. So many dicot herbs that grow in the field of cereals as weeds can be controlled by certain microbes. So let us see a few other examples over here. So pathogenic fungi as mycoherbicides, bacterial pathogen as herbicides can be used. Insects can also be used as herbicides. So first talk about the example, that is pathogenic fungi as microherbicides. So here the examples are Phytophthora palmivora, which can control milkweed in orchids. See, these are just the example. Now, because I think you're clear what are biocontrol agents, right? These are the agents which are going to protect your crop from insect, pest, and diseases. Okay. So first you have to talk about the microorganism, where at least you should know about BT, that is Bacillus thuringiensis, and that dry protein, and certain examples which are given on the screen. And when we talk about the herbicides, so here there are certain examples. So first one was pathogenic fungi, which can be used as herbicides. So here it can be, the examples are Phytophthora palmivora, which can control milkweeds in orchids. Alternaria crassa, which can control water hyacinth. Fusarium specialensis can control most of the weeds. Then bacterial pathogen में देखते हैं क्या example है. Pseudomonas attack several weeds, Xanthomonas will attack several weeds, and Actobacterium can again attack several weeds. You must have studied about agrobacterium in biotechnology, right? So if you don't know, go to the app, go to the biotechnology chapter, and do watch my video on agrobacterium. Okay. Then coming to the last part, that is insect as herbicide. So Tyria moth can control weed Senecio jacobiac. Cactoblastis cactorum can control cacti weeds. That's it about the herbicide. So here in this video, there were more of examples which I wanted you to know so that you can remember it for boards as well as for your NEET exams. Okay, so that's all about the biocontrol agent. I hope you have understood the video, and if you're liking the video, please write it to me on the comment section of our Insta Prep, and work hard for your exams. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day.